Hello gardeners and welcome back to the Celtic Farm. This is Master Gardener Steve, and today our topic is how you can harness solar energy within your garden without spending bucks on a solar system. Gardening with the sun isn't just about providing light for photosynthesis. There are so many ways you can harness solar energy in your garden to make it more sustainable, efficient, and cost-effective. I've found that small adjustments using solar power can make a big difference in how your garden thrives and grows. I'll show you several easy ways to incorporate that energy into your garden without needing, as mentioned, that complex solar system. One simple way to trap solar energy is by using a cold frame. Cold frames capture warmth of the sun, creating a cozy microenvironment for plants. This can help you start cool season crops earlier in spring and keep them going after fall. Essentially, they're small mini greenhouses. One tip, you can place your cold frame south-facing sunny spot for maximum warmth and absorption. Inside a greenhouse, black barrels filled with water are a natural way to retain heat. These barrels absorb sunlight during the day, storing warmth that's gradually released into the night to keep plants warm. You can put them along the south-facing edge of your greenhouse and let that black plastic or black metal absorb the heat. Plants will thank you at night when the temperature drops down. A solar dehydrator is a great sustainable way to preserve your garden's bounty. Sunlight dries fruits, veggies, and herbs, making it a great option for creating long-lasting and shelf-stable food without using electricity. You can build a simple solar dehydrator with wooden frames and screen mesh. For gardens with heat-loving plants, adding dark stones or dark brick around the beds and interspersed throughout the plants can help warm the soil. These stones absorb and slowly release heat, giving plants like tomatoes and peppers an extra warmth boost. Quick tip, you can place the stones near the plant's base for maximum warmth. Reflective mulch is another easy way to amplify sunlight in your garden. Reflective materials like white pebbles or stones bounce extra light back onto the plant, boosting growth and deterring certain pests. As a garden hack, it's perfect for sun-loving plants like squash and melons. Adding a small solar-powered fountain or mister can increase humidity for plants. In dry climates or greenhouses, this creates a more favorable environment without the need for an outlet or running power. One of the best uses, you can add solar fountains near tropical or humidity-loving plants. For colder nights, portable solar heaters can be used in greenhouses or cold frames to maintain warmth. Solar heaters don't rely on electricity, so they're a cost-effective way as they charge during the day and can be used at night. There are many portable options of these solar heaters. They're easy to place and move about. Rechargeable garden tools can also benefit from the sun. A solar battery charger set up in a sunny spot lets you keep your tools ready for work without needing an outlet. It's also great for remote spots or sheds that you have out in the backyard or on your property. Solar-powered drip irrigation or valves are a great way to water plants efficiently. These systems typically use a small solar power to power the pump or the valve, delivering water where you need it and roots with minimal waste. With a few thoughtful changes, you can create a garden that's both eco-friendly and efficient. By harnessing the sun's natural energy, you're setting up a sustainable space that supports your plants and saves on energy costs. Want more tips? Subscribe for our eco-friendly gardening ideas and Master Gardener tips.